Okay guys, let's get to know our vocabulary for the week. We're going to look at our words in context, and as we read the sentences around the words, we're going to look for clues that can help us understand what the words mean. Those are context clues, and that's a very helpful strategy for readers to know how to use. The first word is invention. The light bulb was an invention that helped people do things at night. So the clue words here I see are helped people. Okay, so that helps or makes me think that inventions are maybe things that are new, that are created to help people. The actual definition for invention is something new. Experiment. First, an inventor must perform an experiment to test an idea. In this example, testing an idea helps me understand that experiment are those things scientists do to test ideas, scientists and inventors. So an experiment, the actual definition for that word is to test or learn about the forces of nature. So there's that word test, to test an idea or learn about how the forces of nature work. Experiment. Gadget. A small gadget with many parts, such as a watch, can be hard to repair. So in this example, the words small, a small gadget with many parts, such as a watch. So when I think about a watch, I think of something small with many parts. It can be hard to repair. So I'm going to guess that gadget means a small, useful machine or device. You can see how the clues there would help us understand that a gadget is a small device, a small, useful machine or device, like the watch in the example. Electric. The invention of the electric fan helps us stay cool in hot weather. Now in this one, the picture really helps us out, but some background knowledge too comes into play here. We know electric is the power that powers lights, powers a lot of the appliances and machines that we have and we use every day. So the electric fan, if you think about what an electric fan is, it's a device that's powered by electricity. So the actual definition for electric is powered by electricity. Laboratory. Scientists may test their ideas in a laboratory using special equipment. So in this example, scientist is a clue, and special equipment is a clue as well there. Scientists may test their ideas in a laboratory using special equipment. So using these clues around our word, I'm going to guess that laboratory is a place where scientists test their ideas using special equipment. The actual definition for laboratory is a place where scientists work and do experiments, which we know experiments is testing their ideas. So a laboratory is a place where scientists work and do experiments. Genius. Albert Einstein was a genius. Even very smart people like to act silly. So in this example, the word here, very smart people. Okay, so that helps me understand genius must mean something like a person who's very smart. The actual definition of genius is an unusually talented or smart person. Genius. Signal. A red light is a signal to stop. This invention helps save lives. Okay, so again, some background knowledge comes into play here. A red light are those traffic lights that helps the driver know when to stop. So that helps me understand signal must mean a way of communicating, or a signal to tell, or a symbol, or a way of communicating an idea to someone. So a signal here, the actual definition for signal, a sound, motion, or other sign that sends a message, like the red light communicating it's time to stop. That's a signal that sends a message. Occasional. A good invention has an occasional problem, but should not fail regularly. So in this example, the clues they give me are actually antonym clues, because the words they give me here should help me understand that these words here have the opposite meaning of occasional. It says a good invention has an occasional problem, but should not fail regularly. So that helps me understand that occasional and regularly are opposites, they're antonyms. So I can guess occasional. If occasional means the opposite of regularly, occasional must mean just every once in a while. Occasional, happening from time to time, or every once in a while. So this is our vocabulary for the week, guys. You have these at your table. I want you to use your list to complete the vocabulary review page. And we will check over our work after Miss Roberts is done with groups.